Hi guys, and welcome muli sa another episode ng Aling Oday's Kitchen.
Gagawa tayo ngayon ng spicy fried chicken. And here are the following ingredients. Ang ating first step dito sa isang malaking bowl, ilagay natin yung half a kilo ng chicken wings at half a kilo ng chicken thigh. Imamarinate natin to. Ilalagay natin yung 1 tablespoon ng grated ginger, yung 1 tablespoon ng grated garlic, salt to taste, pepper to taste, at itong 2 egg whites. Lalagyan ko rin ng 1 piece ng lemon. And hahaluin natin dito hanggang sa well incorporated and well coated ang ating chicken. Kung wala kayong lemon, pwede din naman kalamansi. And halo na natin. Takpan lang natin to at imamarinate natin to for a minimum of half an hour. After 30 minutes na marinate na yung chicken, pwede na natin ilagay itong half a cup ng corn starch at itong half a cup ng all-purpose flour. Haluin natin itong maigi. Make sure na well-coated ng flour yung ating chicken. Mag-preheat na tayo ng oil for deep frying. At ipiprito na natin yung chicken hanggang maging golden brown. Siguro mga minimum of 10 to 15 minutes on medium heat. After 15 minutes ng frying, luto na yung ating chicken. I-transfer lang natin to sa isang plate lined with paper towel para ma-absorb yung excess oil. Then continue lang natin ang pagprito ng the rest ng ating chicken. Ang ating next step, mag-preheat lang tayo ng oil dito sa ating pan at igigisa natin itong onion. Igisa lang natin to ng about half cook. Huwag natin masyadong palambutin. And then after that, pwede na natin isama itong 2 to 3 pieces ng siling labuyo. Kung gusto nyo ng mas maanghang, pwede nyo pang dagdagan ng siling labuyo. Then, i-add ko na itong 2 tablespoon ng Chinese cooking wine at haluin lang natin. And then lastly, i-add na natin yung naprito nating chicken. And then, hahaluin lang natin to hanggang ma-absorb ng chicken yung ating ginisang sibuyas at sili. Pwede na natin itong i-switch off. Then lastly, i-garnish lang natin ng lemon zest. And there you have it, our spicy fried chicken. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button para lagi kayong updated tuwing mag-upload ako ng videos. Ako po si Aling Oday. Salamat! Bye! Please follow me on my Facebook page, Twitter, and Instagram.